Oh, definitely has to fix this problem. Tires rubbing. Flex out over here. Alright, this is another flex test. I expanded my fenders in the front. Haven't done it in the back yet, but I think I will. So, last time I was at the park, off-road park, I was rubbing here when I had the fender flares, so I took them off. But I'm going to cut anyways around here because I plan on getting bigger tires. These are 31.6. I plan to go to 35. And the bump stop is fully touching the lower spring mount. So I think that's fully compressed. See the bump stop? The soft part of the bump stop got squished. With the Nissan Pathfinders, the front part of the bump stop is kind of rubbery soft, and then the bottom half is solid. So it looks like, yeah, the soft part is fully compressed, and now the hard part is on the control arm. I mean the spring perch. See if I can get a better view. Okay, so this is the tuck test after I did a first cut of my fenders. I might make some more cuts, I don't know. So here, you know, it's ugly, but I can still fix it. Before, there was maybe like this much space when it was fully tucked in, and the springs are fully compressed, almost really close, because the bump stops are touching. Looks like the bump stops are touching. Alright, so this is after my fender. I cut my fender. This is the first cut. I'm not really great at cutting, but I'll fix it to make it look nicer. Had to cut the running board. So this is all in preparation for getting larger tires. So these are 31.6-inch tires. I plan to go to 35-inch tires when these wear out. So this is the front fender, cut it a little bit larger. This side. So the first cut, I got tired, so didn't want to cut anymore. So do another cut maybe next week or in a few months. But yeah, not pretty in the back, but next time I fix it, it should look nicer. I might be getting Jeep fenders to install. So a set of Jeep fenders is like $130 on eBay. Two-inch wheel spacers. If I get different wheels with a different type of back spacing, the tires might stick up further. Yeah.